Seletar Ground, November 574 Echo.
November 574 Echo, Seletar Ground.
November 574 Echo, requesting engine start with a 5 hours endurance, 2 POB, heading to area Alpha with information Lima.
November 574 Echo, unknown drone activity reported in the vicinity of Seletar Aerodrome. And bearing is 189 and distance 3.3 kilometers from Seletar ARP. Height is 60 meters, and due to the drone, local training flights are suspended, and I stand by for the updates.
November 574 Echo, can I do circuits instead?
November 8 Echo negative, and stand by for further.
November 8 Echo, roger. Seletar Ground, November 574 Echo, I need to turn off my radio now. Can I check again at 2:30 p.m.?
November 574 Echo, roger, and check in at about time 26.
Okay, November 574 Echo, we'll check again at time 26.